Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. I'm Emily if you've not been here before, and today I have a huge ZARA haul for you. I haven't ordered from ZARA in quite some time, so I'm so excited about this. I'll link everything in the description box down below, so do make sure you check that out before you leave. And whilst you're down there, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. It is free to subscribe and you can unsubscribe at any time. So first of all, I'm going to show you this on. This is the printed mini skirt. I got an extra small in this and this one was £32.99. So to pair with this, I got the geometric printed shirt. I got a size small and this one again was £32.99. So this outfit totals at £65.98, which is actually a really good price for this outfit. It's an outfit you can dress up or down depending on the occasion, and both are made with very high quality materials. So here is outfit number one on, and how gorgeous is this? Both the shirt and the skirt fit really nicely, and I did actually size down in the skirt, so I would definitely recommend doing that. This outfit feels very classy, and the shirt is a luxurious silky material, making it feel and look very expensive. So for my next outfit, I have this. This is the Dress with Sweetheart neckline. I got an extra small in this and this one was £49.99. I'm so excited to try this one on because it looks stunning, the colour is so striking and it feels like it's made with really good quality materials. So let's try it straight on. So here is the dress on, and it comes to a great length, it's figure flattering and it's very comfortable as well. I did size down in this one and it does fit how it should, so I would recommend sizing down if you are unsure on the sizing. So for my next outfit, I have this matching cord. This is the printed draped skirt, which I got a size small in, and this one was £29.99. But to pair with that, I have the matching printed crop top. I got a size small again, and this one was £25.99. So this outfit totals at £55.98, which is actually a pretty good price for a full outfit. So let's try it straight on. So here is outfit number 3 on, and as you can see, the skirt is too big, so it falls too low and ruins what could have been a beautiful outfit. The shirt, however, fits true to size, and I really like the neckline. So for my next outfit, I have this. This is the box pleat Skort, which I got an extra small in, and it was £25.99. But to pair with that, I have this. This is the striped cotton knit sweater, which I got a small in, and this one was £35.99. So this outfit totals at £61.98, which again is quite a good price for an everyday outfit. I've never tried one of these box pleat skirts on before, but they're very in at the moment and I'm not sure how I feel about them. So we're going to try it and see what we think. So here it is, and I'm quite surprised that I actually like this skirt on. I think it looks really cute. It does feel very short, but because it is a skirt and not a skirt, it doesn't really matter because nothing's ever going to be on show. The sweater is so timeless, it's very versatile, and you can't go wrong with just a plain striped knit sweater. Both fit very nicely, and I did actually size down in the skirt. So here is my next outfit. This is the Satin wrap dress. I got this one in a small and this one was £35.99. But hopefully it does fit because it does look to be quite big. But I really liked the colour of this dress. It's a bit different to the usual blacks and dark coloured dresses that you normally see, and it is like a silvery grey colour. So let's try it on and see what it looks like. So here is the dress on, and for me personally it does feel quite big. However, I do know that there's a lot of people out there that do prefer this type of fit. I really like the colour and it comes to a lovely length. So for my final outfit of this haul, I have another box pleat skirt. I got a size small in this one and this one was £25.99. So to pair with that, I have gone with this. This is the basic knit vest. Again, I got a size small and this one was £25.99. So this outfit totals at £51.98. And I have actually gone for my normal size in this skirt so that I can compare the sizes to the first box pleat skirt that I tried in this video, which I had sized down in. So let's try it straight on. So here is the final outfit on, and I don't like this one quite as much as I did the original sweater and skirt. However, it is still a nice neutral outfit which can make lots of different outfits paired with different pieces in your wardrobe. The vest fits true to size and the skirt is slightly too big, so I did probably prefer the size down. So that does conclude our video for today. I really hope you liked that as much as I did. I will link everything in the description box down below, so do make sure you check that out before you leave. And watch down there, if you haven't already, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. And don't forget, subscribing is free and you can unsubscribe at any point. Thanks for watching.